All of us love to apply makeup, but this love for makeup should extend to storing makeup products properly. It's extremely important from a hygiene point of view. Always store makeup in cool and dry place. Heat and humidity can cause products to break down. Keep products in their original containers with the lid tightly closed to prevent contamination and drying out. Avoid using, reusing dry or wet sponges with the Barva foundation. In fact, the Barva foundation does not need to be applied with any sponge or brush. It can be applied best by using your clean and dry finger. Just warm up the foundation, dot around your face and blend. Make sure you have washed your face and hands with Barva face wash before you apply makeup or skincare. Proper storage means your makeup lasts longer and stays safe to use. Keep it fresh, keep it fabulous.